Hey there, fellow adventurers! Get ready to travel smarter with these essential tips. Now, I know what you're thinking, well, we've heard it all before, pack light. But trust me on this one, when you're lugging a heavy suitcase over cobblestone streets or trying to cram it into a tiny train compartment, you'll thank me. Pack for versatility. A few basic pieces of clothing that you can mix and match will take you a long way. And remember, you can always do laundry on the road. Traveling light is all about freedom. The freedom to move with ease and embrace those spontaneous adventures that pop up along the way. You don't need to be a polyglot to connect with locals. Learning a few basic phrases in the local language can work wonders. Start with hello please, thank you and excuse me. Even if your pronunciation isn't perfect, the effort goes a long way. It shows respect and a willingness to engage with the local culture. And you'd be surprised how often a simple grazie in Italy or merci in France can turn a routine interaction into a memorable encounter. Ditch the taxis and rental cars whenever possible and hop on the local bus or train. Public transportation is often the cheapest and most efficient way to get around a new city. Plus, it's a great way to experience the city like a local. You'll get a feel for the rhythm of daily life, see neighborhoods you might otherwise miss, and maybe even strike up a conversation with a friendly commuter. H2O on the go. Staying hydrated is crucial, especially when you're traveling, often for hours on end. Carry a reusable water bottle with you and fill it up whenever you get a chance. Many airports and train stations have water fountains where you can refill for free, and staying hydrated will keep your energy levels up, prevent headaches, and make you feel more alert and ready to tackle those action-packed itineraries. Passport power up. Before you even think about packing your suitcase, make digital and physical copies of all your important travel documents. This includes your passport, visa, driver's license, credit cards, and itinerary. Store your digital copies in a secure cloud service that you can access from anywhere. It's also a good idea to email a copy to yourself and a trusted friend or family member. Having backups can be a lifesaver if you lose your wallet or if those documents go missing. Culture counts. Traveling is not just about seeing new places, it's about experiencing different cultures. Before you go, take some time to learn about the local customs and traditions of your destination. What's considered polite behavior? Are there any dress codes you should be aware of? What are some common cultural faux pas to avoid? Understanding and respecting local customs shows that you're a considerate traveler and enhances your interactions with the people you meet. Expect the unexpected. No matter how well you plan, unexpected events can happen. That's where travel insurance comes in. It's there to protect you from the financial burden of medical emergencies, lost luggage, trip cancellations, and other unforeseen circumstances. Don't skimp on this one, folks. Travel insurance gives you peace of mind knowing that you're covered if things don't go according to plan. Staying connected while traveling is easier than ever. You have options, folks. Consider getting an international SIM card or renting a portable Wi-Fi device for your trip. This allows you to stay in touch with loved ones back home, navigate with ease using online maps, and share your incredible experiences on social media. I'm all for planning your trip and booking accommodations in advance, especially during peak season, but don't overschedule yourself. Leave some room for spontaneity. Some of the most memorable travel moments are often the unplanned ones. Stumbling upon a charming cafe, taking a detour to explore a hidden alleyway, or simply going with the flow and seeing where the day takes you. Let's talk about safety, everyone. It's essential to stay aware of your surroundings and take precautions to protect yourself and your belongings. Keep your valuables secure. Be mindful of scams and trust your instincts. If something feels off, it probably is. And remember, it's always a good idea to let someone back home know your itinerary. So there you have it, my top 10 essential travel tips to help you make the most of your next adventure. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your go-to travel tips? Share your wisdom in the comments below. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more travel inspiration and advice. Remember, the world is out there waiting to be explored. So pack your bags, grab your passport and get ready for your next unforgettable journey.